Today I'm going to demonstrate the ways of accessing customer AR using Infor's netlink. If you remember, netlink is a thin client running on an internet browser of some sort, whether it be Internet Explorer or Chrome. To launch it, we simply launch our Ego netlink icon. In the dialog box, we're going to log in as normal, your username and password. This is our main screen for netlink. It brings us right into accounts receivable, so we can go right to customers. Double click on that icon. Listing of the customers is shown. On this area right here, we can adjust the grid settings to show us different information. Right now we have general. We could adjust it to show accounting summary. We hit continue. The screen will be changed to reflect that information, and it goes by the total due, current, and then the different periods. This can be adjusted also in a different application, but we can change this to be specific for your needs, whatever that may be. Okay, we're just going to leave it in accounting summary for right now. To find a specific customer, we click on the locate icon, which is the magnifying glass right here. We click on that, and this locate window opens up, or dialog box. It starts with company 1, which is Eco. We leave that alone. Customer number has a 0 in it. We want to find a customer by name, let's say. We click on the magnifying glass, and we can put a partial spelling of the name we're looking for. Let's say Main, for Main Elevator. Hit continue. And any customer that has Main in its name will be displayed. We have elevator maintenance, central elevator maintenance corporation, etc. We can scroll down, because I know main elevator is down here at the bottom right there. Can hit select and continue. The list will now start with the main elevator company right there. In the summary, we see that the total amount due is $18,579. If you're curious what LC means, that's the local currency. Infor will support multiple currencies. We highlight the customer. This icon right here shows the details of the customer. Once again, we have the ability to select what we see. We can put this to accounting summary here, leave it default, or put accounting summary, it doesn't matter, whichever you want. And the tabs will respond or change accordingly. We see the customer summary, we see the customer number, the name, last order date, last payment date. We have the aging, which shows us what's 30, 60, 90 days old, 120 days old. You can do it by invoice aging, age date aging, or due date aging, doesn't matter, whichever way. Go to your accounting summary, customer receivable summary. This is the information that gets displayed. Once again, we can change what's displayed by clicking on the grid settings. Select statement data. We can sort it by transaction date, so we're looking at the statement information and hit continue. The display will be changed to show it in respect to the customer statements. Once again, if we want to look at the detail of anything here, we can highlight it with an X or a check mark here, and then click on details. We can drill down into the invoice transactions. Highlight that, go to the details. Go to COM invoice terms. This is a way to look at the detail of a specific customer's AR. to go back. We hit the button and brings us back to the main menu. Another way of doing it is going through customer service. When we click on the customer service tab, we can click on the customer tab. List of all the current customers is open. We can do the locate right here. Once again, we have the same dialog box. We click on the magnifying glass, type in main, continue. Any customer has main in its name will be displayed. We can scroll down. To main elevator, we click check it and select, continue. The list again will be changed to start at the main elevator company. Click that, select it, hit the details, and we have the same type of screen opening up. We can go to accounts receivable here and look at the account receivable information. We don't like the way it's displayed. We can change it to accounting summary. There we go. And we can look at invoice statistics. There's just so many different ways to look at the data. There's the customer receivables information. It takes a second to pull the information up, but then we can drill down again by highlighting it and looking at details. Then we get to look at the transaction involved. We get the customer number, the invoice amount. We can go to invoice transactions. I mean, it's just, and we're basically looking at the same data in a different way. To log out of the system, we simply do the file, log out. This is how we can look at customer AR using Netlink.